Hi, today I want to talk to you about a quick weight loss tip. We all want weight loss, right? No matter how old we are, no matter what season it is, everybody's usually looking for a little bit of weight loss. So I'm going to give you a really simple one. It is drink water. Yeah, I know you've heard it before, but studies show that if you drink between a half a liter, which is 17 ounces, 30 minutes before a meal, you're going to consume fewer calories and you're going to experience more weight loss. Typically 44% more weight loss than those who don't drink 16, 17 ounces of water before a meal. So it's super good to drink the water before your meals instead of with your meals. Now you can sip a little bit, but it will also improve digestion if you drink your water before or after a meal versus with your meal. It also helps to boost your metabolism, like by 24 to 30%. That's huge just by drinking water. So I wanted to give you a few tips on how to get a little bit more water in, because most of us are like, oh my gosh, water. I don't like water. It doesn't taste good. And when you realize you need about half your body weight in ounces, so let's say if you're 100 pounds, you would need 50 ounces of water. So a lot of people are like, wow, that's a lot. How in the world can I drink that much? First of all, start small. Work your way up. You can do it. Second of all, when you get there, you're really going to want the water because you just crave it. It's so yummy. But one way to get water in, I take my number of bottles, and I have to have 5 of these to equal my weight plus my workout, regimen. And so I take 5 of these big Voss water bottles. I fill it up with purified water, and I drink those throughout the day. Now for me, I have to go like all out to remember to drink my water. My friends know this. So what I do is I put on the top of the label, I don't know if you can see it here, I put 10, 12, 2, 4, and 6. So that means I have to have this water bottle drink by 10 a.m. in order for me to get all my water in. So I also set an alarm to remind me to drink something every 30 minutes. Because if you're like me, you get busy through the day and you forget. That's not something that's always on your mind. So that's another tip to get your water in. But if you're like, well, that's all great and dandy, but I just don't like the taste of water, here's a couple of tricks. Number 1, you can put it in a pretty glass, which might make it a little bit more attractive, and you can add some lemon slices in it. Another thing is you can take some cranberry juice. Now this is homemade cranberry juice, as you can tell. I'm using an old bottle here. Cranberry juice actually detoxifies your liver, your kidneys, your lymphatic system, and it's good for your digestion. So I add a little bit of unsweetened cranberry juice to mine, and a lot of times I will add some lime essential oil in it. Now lime's really good because it's also good for digestion and weight loss. So you get a double whammy there. Now in the summer when it's really hot, I do just lime and ice water because it tastes so incredibly refreshing. Trust me, you will love it. And then the next thing I do to make the water a little bit more appealing, and again, I do this anytime through the year. It's great in the fall because it has these fall type flavors. I take some purified water, put it in an old juice jar, and I put some cinnamon sticks in there. Cinnamon's good to increase your metabolism, and it's good for digestion. It helps to balance your blood sugar levels. Cinnamon is a powerhouse. It's really great. And then I put some organic apple slices in there. And again, apples are really good for your body as well. They help to flush toxins and aids in weight loss. So I highly recommend that. Another fun tip is you can get cute little ice trays. These are in the shape of hearts because it's, cute and I like hearts. So I put little heart ice cubes in my ice water just to make it fun. Great for Valentine's Day or anniversaries, birthdays. So this little thing is really multi-purpose. Another thing you can do is to drink out of a straw. A lot of people will drink more when they drink out of a straw or your favorite water bottle. Make sure you have a water bottle with you at all times. So when you're running to the grocery store, picking up your kids from school, running errands, always take a water bottle with you. That way you're not resorting to, go getting a high calorie drink at, a store, and I'm not going to name names. So I hope you have enjoyed this. And if you did, I'm going to give you a link to my calendar. So if you'd like to ask me any kind of questions, let's just hop on a call and see what I can do to help you with your weight loss goals. Bye.